Why do Indian middle class try to avoid credit cards? The very first reason is that they don't believe in spending money that doesn't exist. We were taught to spend what we already have instead of what we might get in the future. We never get into the habit of spending more than we have. With a credit card, you buy now and pay it back later. People from middle class don't like this idea no matter how good it sounds. The only time it's okay for them to borrow money from bank is for a home loan, again because they have an emotional tie to their own home. Most people in middle class don't like to take so much risks. What if I can't pay? That's one of the main reason why they don't use credit card. Also, if you miss a payment date for a credit card, the company will charge you a lot of money. It's one of the main reasons why people in the middle class don't want to spend their own money on fines. Follow me for more such financial related videos.